Hello everyone, you have come to David Knox channel. Specializes in product reviews, giving you the most objective view of the product. Please watch this video until the end to know the advantages and disadvantages before you decide to buy the product. Today, I and you will discover a new product. Let go.
Hi everyone, we're back with the Shark IQ Self-Empty XL Robot Vacuum. We're going to be reviewing this machine on carpets and hard floors. We're going to be seeing how well the Zero M anti-tangle brush roll works. We're going to be seeing how well it picks up debris on hard floors and carpets. So let's get into the carpet test. So the first thing we're going to do is seeing how well this Shark cleans up pet hair on carpet. You have quite a lot of pet hair all over the carpet. You can see here and here, all over the place. So I'm going to start cleaning with the vacuum. We're going to do normal cleaning mode, and let's begin. Oh goodness. See how well it picks up this hair right here. Oop, it's going to go the other way now. The kitty's like a little unsure. Looks like it's deciding where to go next. Going to be going over more pet hair in just a second. Oop. There we go. Oh, it cleaned all that pet hair up. All the stuff it ran over anyways. When this test is done, I'm going to see how well the machine works at keeping its brush clean of pet hair, because we're cleaning up quite a lot of hair. So it stops and decides what to do. Here comes the kitty. So I'm going to press the pause button. I'm going to move over to hard floors. So I almost forgot to show the brush roll, and here it is. It is completely, I would say almost completely, not quite, clear of all pet hair. Look at that. That's fantastic performance from the Shark. So I'm going to move over to the hard floors and see how well it works on that. All right, so now we have the robot on hard floors. We have 3 different debris types. We have peanuts, we have some grits, and we have some oats. Let's see how well it works. There we go. From the area under the brush roll, oh, it's getting the peanuts too. Easily dealing with the peanuts. It got all those pretty quickly. There's just one left right there that you can see. Oh, it's going to go over the grits. It got some of them. It's like it's trying this area again. Oh, it got basically all of them. It must have a dirt sensor because it keeps going back over this same spot, and it was able to get them all just like that. It was able to get the oats somewhat. It's going over there now and figuring out what to do next. I think we're going to end the test here. It didn't last very long, but it did the job that I wanted it to. There are some oats left, but I'm not going to wait for it to come back over here. So now we're going to test the self-emptying system. So I moved the robot over to its dock. We're going to see if it's able to find it, like get to it, I mean. I think it found its dock. Yep, it must have found its dock because it's going towards it. Now, once it gets to its dock, it has to go backwards so the self-emptying system is able to work. So this is what it does. It stops its brush rolls completely. It goes forward. Lines itself up. Now here comes the self-emptying. It takes a minute to turn on. There it goes. All right, so it's done the self-emptying cycle. It's pretty fast. Let's see what's inside of the bin. You can see all that dirt that we just picked up is inside of here. Sorry, it's dark, my light died. But the shark was able to clean that up very, very easily, as you can see. So I'm gonna open the bin and we're gonna see what's actually inside of it now. See if there's anything left. So the bin is basically clean. I tipped it upside down. Nothing came out. So the self-emptying system absolutely does work. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the Shark self-emptying robot vacuum, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching the video. If you are interested in the product and many other products on the Amazon Marketplace, please click on the link below the comments section to purchase to support David Nock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you.